Hey, what is the most important flamenco scale? Let's see if you agree with this. That is the Phrygian scale, all right? So for those of you who are really just wondering about that, now you have that information, but it's arguable, okay? I don't know that that's the most important, but it's certainly a step in getting to very important ideas about flamenco music, okay? So let's talk about this scale for those of you who really want to understand a little bit more and go on. Let's do this, okay? So I'm Chris, and here we go. We have the E Phrygian scale, okay? That's what I just played. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. And when I say the most important scale, I'm not talking about specifically the E Phrygian scale. I'm just saying the Phrygian scale or mode in general, okay? So what is the Phrygian scale or mode? Luckily, if you've watched my How to Make a Major Scale tutorial, you already know how to make a major scale. And if you know how to make a major scale, you know how to make the Phrygian scale or the Phrygian mode. Because the Phrygian mode or scale is basically the exact same, it's not basically, it is the exact same thing as the major scale, but based off of the third note, okay? So in the key of C, the third note in the major scale is C, D, E. So then we just continue up the C major scale, but starting on E and ending on E. So if we go E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, then magically we have the Phrygian scale, like I just played at the very beginning. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Yeah? So there you have it. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. That is one example of a Phrygian scale, and that's the E Phrygian, which is in the key of C major. All right? So now I just want to highlight the idea that guitars are an interval-based and pattern and shape-based instrument, okay? So we can take this pattern and learn it just like that. This is a half step up, there's a whole step, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step. And if we apply that or just remember the frets, and if we take this to the A string, the fifth string, and we do the same thing, made an A Phrygian scale, just based off of memorizing that pattern, that sequence of intervals, okay? You can do that with every single string, okay? So that's really cool. However, it can be detrimental as to your understanding, your overall understanding of music, because we can just learn patterns on guitar and go, okay, well, I know how to make this particular pattern, I move it, and now I'm making this other entity, like another scale, but I don't know everything that goes with it, okay? So this is kind of why I'm going a little bit more in depth with this video to let you know what is going on behind the scale, okay? So we have the E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Now all of a sudden you're starting to feel that tonal center, that gravitational pull as we go. Okay? And we're going E, F, G up to this high E, okay? Now we went horizontally, now let's go vertically. We're just going to do those exact same notes, but we're going to go E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Okay? Let's do that again. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. 0, 1, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2. For the beginner guitarist, I recommend that you align your whatever finger with whatever fret, okay? So the first fret with the first finger, the second fret, second finger, third fret, third finger, fourth fret, fourth finger, okay? So we're gonna go 0, 1, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2. And now you notice, hopefully you can really hear that those are the exact same notes, just played horizontally as, okay? So now we just ended on this E, and now we're gonna go up another octave, okay? So this is an E, this is an E, we're gonna go up to the next E, okay? We're gonna play the same notes. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Or 2, 3 on the fourth string, 0, 2. And on the second string, we're gonna play 0, 1, 3. And then the open first string, okay? So now we have all the way up. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. F, G, A, B, C, D, E. And while we're at it, because this is an E and this is an E, we get a 2-for-1. So we can just memorize the same pattern. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. Okay? All right, so now you have 3 full octaves of the E Phrygian scale. And there we have it. So my recommendation to you would be to go through, watch the how to make a major scale video, how to find the natural notes on the guitar, and now you understand how a Phrygian scale is made, where it comes from, okay? That it's just a major scale. It's just starting on the 3rd note of the major scale. So that would be true with any Phrygian scale, okay? And so that's kind of what happens in flamenco. Basically, we're using the same scale, but in different keys. And so it has that sound. Now we're going to add to that sound with other scales and other note options. But this is the foundation, okay? If you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments below. If you have any requests for future videos, future tutorials, please put them in the comments below, okay? I also want to let you know that there's a full lesson plan with all this on Patreon for all my Patreon subscribers. All the tiers get it. So head on over there. If you want to support the YouTube page, that would be just super awesome. Also, I'm also supposed to tell you that I have an Instagram account, and that'll be a link down below too. So follow me on Instagram for super cool stuff. I don't know what super cool stuff I'm going to put there, but I'm going to try to find something super cool for you. It could be guitar. It could be martial arts. That's my other passion in life. So, but they're both fun regardless, okay? Again, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you very soon. Ole, bye-bye.